Chapter 41 Nobel Laureates in Science. In the 120 years since the first Nobel Prize was awarded, women have won very few prizes in science. But in this millennium, the number of women scientists making important breakthroughs has increased, and it inspired more girls to take up research in STEM streams. In this chapter, we are going to see some famous Nobel Prize winning women scientists and along with the field for which the prize was awarded to them. Let us see one by one here. Our first one is about Frances Arnold. She is an American chemical engineer. She received the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year 2018 for the directed evolution of enzymes and shared it with George P. Smith and Gregory Winter. Second one, Barbara M. Klintock. She was awarded a solo Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1983 for her discovery of mobile genetic elements. She is also an American scientist. Third one, Ada E. Onad. She is an Israel crystallographer who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in the year of 2009, which she shared with Venkatrama Ramakrishnan and Thomas Hastings for studies of the structure and function of ribosome. Fourth one is about Dorothy Crawford Hodgkin, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in the field of chemistry in 1964 for her determination by X-ray techniques of the structure of important biochemical substance. She is actually a British biological chemist. 5 years later, she determined the structure of insulin, a huge medical breakthrough. Fifth one, Donna Strickland, who was born in Canada and was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2018, which she shared with Gerard Mourou of France for the method of generating high intensity ultra short optical pulses, and American Arthur Rushkin for the optical tweezers and their application to biological systems. Sixth one is about an American biochemist. Her name is Gertrude B. Ilion. She shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine in the year 1988 with James W. Black and George H. Hitchings for the discovery of important principles for drug treatment. Seventh one, it's about the Chinese chemist. Her name is Thu Yoyu. She shared the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 2015 with William C. Campbell of USA and Satoshi Omura of Japan for her discoveries concerning a novel therapy against malaria. Eighth one is about a woman scientist. Her name is Rita Levi Montalcini. She is from Italy and USA and shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine with Stanley Cohen for the discovery of growth factors. Ninth one is about Elizabeth Blackburn from Australia and Carol W. Grider from USA shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine in the year of 2009 with Jack W. Szostak for discovering how chromosomes are protected by telomeres and the enzyme telomerase. And the last one is about Linda B. Buck. She is an American who shared the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2004 with Richard Exel for the discoveries of odorant receptors and the organization of the olfactory systems. Okay students, hope you have understand this session. Now we are moving on to the next chapter. Chapter 42, the Socotra Island. The Socotra archipelago consists of 4 islands and the largest of which is Socotra. Though politically it is a part of Yemen, this island is geographically a part of Africa. So in this chapter we are going to see some interesting facts behind the Socotra Island. First one, Socotra's mushroom shaped dragon's blood tree. It is an unofficial symbol of the island. Its red sap was used as a dye in ancient times and is used for painting, making breath freshener and lipstick. And today it is used for varnishing violins. Second one is about bats. Bats are the only mammals endemic to Socotra. Third one is about the sea snail cowrie, which is found here. The shells of these creatures were valuable and were used as a jewelry and currency in the past. Fourth one is about the aptly named bottle tree, which is endemic to Socotra Island with its thick base filled with fluid and narrow neck at the top. Its thick fleshy leaves also allow it to hold liquid. Fifth one is about skinks. Socotra Island has many types of reptiles, including skinks, which are lizards that look more like snakes but with a very small limbs. Sixth one is about a bird called starling. It is one of the island's endemic species and its cousins can be found throughout most of the world, but this variety can be found only here. And the last one is about the names of the island Socotra. It is traced to the Sanskrit called Vipashakadra, or you can call it as an island of bliss. Okay students, hope you have understand this session. Let us meet in our next class. Thank you students. Thank you.